Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of bachelor's biryani. It's a simple recipe everybody can do in bachelor's room, and this is one of the tasks given by the one viewer of my channel. Its name was Karthik. Let's see my recipe how I am making bachelor's biryani. It's an easy method everybody can do in bachelor's room with simple quantity of ingredients I will show, and the taste was absolutely perfect for a bachelor's recipe. Check my ingredients, what I am adding. Salt, ginger garlic paste, curd, green chilies, onion slices, red chili powder, coriander and pudina chop, whole garam masala powder, make into powder, whole garam masala, chicken pieces, 250 grams is enough for 1 glass of rice. Quantity same, take 1 glass. What you want to take in a glass, take that much water. I will tell the water quantity. And oil, turmeric powder. This is the recipe for bachelor's biryani. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipe marination with chicken. First add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, 3 tablespoons is enough. And if you want more spicy you can add. Then add garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons, and coriander leaves, pudina chopped. Then add salt, and add curd and mix it nicely. And keep it in a side for minimum 2 hours for a biryani flavor. It will undergo the chicken. And keep it in the side. Take the vessel and pour oil. Then add garam masala, next add onions, fry it nicely. Then add green chilies and a little bit of salt for golden brown color onions. Next add chicken, marinated chicken. Then cook it nicely. Don't overcook, only cook it for 50% of chicken is enough. Now you can see 50% chicken is done, and switch off the flame and keep it in a side. Take 1 glass of basmati and with this cup and soak it for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Don't soak for long, it will broke easily. You will get very softiness. And take the electronic cooker, or you can take normal cooker also in 2 whistles, but I am using an electronic cooker for the bachelor's recipe. Then add cooked chicken into this vessel. I dropped chicken in this cooker. As the same way you can use the normal cooker. Then add soaked rice on top. See how I am pouring on cooked chicken. Pour the rice on top. Then add green chilies, and the coriander, next add whole garam masala on top, sprinkled like this directly. Then pour 1.5 cup of water for basmati. If you are cooking normal rice, 1 cup rice and 2 cups water is enough. Pour like this slowly. One and a half cup. At last add ghee on top. I like ghee in biryani, so I am adding so much lot. Then switch on the flame. Cook it on a low flame in normal cooking. Finally, bachelor's biryani is over, and now I am removing. You can see. I will check the one piece, it's cooked or not. Done. Wow, it's looking nice. with see how rice is separately. And thanks to the Karthik for giving this recipe, and I am tasting. This recipe was taste with the hands because you can get a original flavor. So many people eat biryani in hands only. You can see how rice is opened and getting nice flavor of masalas, own masala.